Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Gurud and today we will discuss about the method overriding in Java. So in Java, the object-oriented programming language, the method overriding, which is a feature that allows a subclass or a child class to provide a specific implementations of a method that's already provided by one of its superclass or a parent class. When a method in a subclass which is uh, same name, same parameter or a signature and a return type as the method in its superclass, then the method in the subclass which is said override, it's a method in superclass. The method overriding, which is one of the way by which Java achieve runtime polymorphism. This version of a method that execute will determine by object that used to invoke it. If an object of a parent class which is used to invoke the method, then the version of parent class will be executed. If the object of the subclass which is used to invoke the method, then the version of child class which is execute. Now we see some rules about for a method overriding. So first rule is, which is a overriding and access modifier. The access modifiers, which is a method that allows more and more but more but not less access than overridden method. For example, a protected instance method in a superclass can be made it a private in the subclass, and it has generate at a compile time. It generate the compile time error. The second rule, which is final method, which cannot be override. If we don't want to method be overridden, which declares as a final. Then the third rule is static method, which cannot be override. Uh, in a static method, when we define a static method with a same signature or a static method, it a base class which is known as method hiding. The third rule, which is a private method, cannot be overridden. The private method which is cannot be overridden because they are wanted during compile time. Therefore, we can't even override the private method in subclass. The fifth rule is the overriding method, which must be same return type. It is possible to have different return types which overriding the methods in the child class, but child's return type should be subtype or a parent return type. Then sixth one, the overriding and a constructor. We cannot override the constructor as a parent and a child class. Can never be a constructor with the same name. And last one which is a overriding and exception handling. That's the all about method overriding in Java. Thank you.